everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you're new, then welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. Now today I'm doing a little bit of a different video. I'm coming to you straight from my, thank you very much bus, straight from my garage actually, which is also my studio, if that's what you want to call it, where I make all my jewellery, etc., and do all my bits for Jewellery Maker, and plus it's storage and all the other things that you get in a tiny little garage. Now, as you know, I do a charity shop challenge every month. I am going to do one for September, but I did buy some bits and pieces in my last charity shop haul, and I got a couple of t-shirts which I upcycled, and I would like to show you the process of upcycling. I got an NYPD top which I got in the haul, which I shall link up below, and it is literally, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so it's an NYPD, just a normal t-shirt like that, and I'm literally just going to show you the process of how I'm going to go about and make it a little bit more feminine, and perhaps just make it a little bit better than it is. So if you'd like to hang around and see how that happens, then please keep on watching. Oh, and before I get on with doing that, sorry, today's eye makeup is brought to you by me and a collaboration with The Body Shop. Kind of. You can go into The Body Shop and create your own palette. Can I get it open with one hand? Oh, Katie, hang on a minute. No, I needed two hands. And here are the colours. I used the green and the yellow in the colours, and you literally just buy the colours yourself. So this is my palette. So these are the colours that I am wearing currently on my eyes today. Okay then, so if you want to see this t-shirt upcycling, then please keep on watching. So back now, and I have finished said t-shirt. I shall do a try on in a moment, but here is the finished article. We have got the NYPD all covered in hot crystals, and then I've just hot fixed crystals, and then I've literally just popped up some of the crystals on here and left the bottom nice and plain. So that is my upcycled t-shirt that I have made. So yeah, I shall go and do a try on now. And I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got some other kind of upcycling videos coming up very, very soon. If you would like to see them, please click the like button on the bottom. If you're not subscribed already, then please do. It's free. And I shall see you in the next one. And remember, look after yourselves and each other and keep creating.